So we've gone over a couple of these text options. Let's keep going. When we have the text selected, again, we can make changes. Here we have our color change, whether we want it bold, italicized, justification. Obviously here we only have one word, but let's say, and that's another interesting thing, if you delete, as you saw when I was typing, we were in a different font and different color, but if I delete and go back into the active word, I can continue typing and it'll keep the attributes of that word. Okay, so if I now got a sentence, you can see here I can center it, right justify it, left justify it, or fully justify. Then we have our paragraph style, which asks me, do I want to indent my text, which is basically to push it off the axis of its origin, which is right here. The line spacing, which is the space in between, also known as leading. The left margin, which is similar to indent, but when you get into larger paragraphs there is a difference, and right margin. So basically this is controlling that text box, the size of the text box. So let's say we had a huge text box that ran from here to over here, and it was hundreds of sentences long, and we decided, oh, we want a nice pretty picture here. We'd have to go retype that whole text. Well, instead of doing that, we just adjust the size of the margin, and all of the text will flow accordingly. So those are a few other options. We'll go down and take a look at these in the next video.